Hello and welcome back to the world of the spirit consciousness. We are in the middle of a book study session on the astral body and other astral phenomena. We now begin our 12th module, which discusses miscellaneous astral phenomena and the fourth dimension. As always, the module is subdivided into various topics. This particular video, we shall be dealing with the super physical forces. So this has been divided into two parts. Part A, miscellaneous astral phenomena, which will be dealing with super physical forces, handling physical material, creating light and fire, and other phenomena. Then there is a part B, which is the fourth dimension, which will cover an overview, a description, and certain other perspectives. Coming to a discussion on the super physical forces, so it is reasonably believed that in the near future, some uses of one or two superphysical forces will be known widely in the world. So usually at spiritual seances, powerful forces are employed like the immediate movement of heavy weights, etc. These results can be brought about in many ways, four of which are hinted at below: etheric currents, etheric pressure, potential energy inactive in matter, and sympathetic vibration. So enormous etheric currents are flowing from pole to pole on the Earth's surface, and these currents are in such powerful quantities that they can be compared to rising tides. So there are techniques of safely utilizing this immense force. However, it would be extremely dangerous if untrained efforts are made to control it. So this is one part of superphysical forces, which is the etheric currents. Coming to etheric pressure. So there is an etheric pressure somewhat corresponding to the atmospheric pressure. So just that it is much more enormous than the atmospheric pressure. So in practice, occultism shows how a specific body of ether can be separated from the rest in a way that the powerful force of etheric pressure can be utilized. The other superphysical force is the potential energy inactive in matter, a huge amount of potential energy which is lying inactive in matter. So this energy becomes dormant in the gross matter when fine matter was getting involuted into it. By altering the condition of matter, some of this energy may be released. This can be compared to how the latent energy can be released by altering the condition of visible matter. Finally, coming to sympathetic vibration. So several results can be created by sympathetic vibration. So by giving a sound theme to the class of matter one wants to impact, a huge number of sympathetic vibrations can be brought about. Let us understand this further. For example, when on the physical plane, when you produce a sound note on a harp and induce other tuned in harps to respond sympathetically, no additional energy is created. However, on the astral plane, where the matter is far more active, the sympathetic vibrations, the matter adds its own vitality to the initial impulse, thereby multiplying it many-fold. Further rhythmic repetitions can cause the vibrations to be greatly intensified. The end result is then so large it appears rather disproportionate to the initiating impulse. So a great adept understands the possibilities of this power very well. What such an adept can achieve using these powers is virtually limitless. The universe itself was created by the vibrations set up by the spoken word. There are a group of mantras or spells that produce results they do, not by regulating some elementals, but by repeating some sounds. These mantras or spells also depend on the action of sympathetic vibration for their ability to produce an intended result. So that closes our discussion on superphysical forces. The next video will discuss about handling physical material. Stay tuned.